Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best motorcycle battery charger. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Starting at number 5. The NEXPEAK NC201 10-amp battery charger is a reliable all-in-one solution designed to keep your vehicle batteries fully charged and in peak condition. Supporting both 12V and 24V systems, it works with a wide range of lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GEL, SLA, and flooded types used in cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. Its fast 7-stage charging system delivers efficient performance while protecting battery life. Built-in temperature compensation ensures safe operation in hot or cold climates, while multiple safety protections guard against overcharging, short circuits, and reverse connections. The advanced pulse repair function helps restore battery performance and extend lifespan. A large LCD screen provides clear, real-time charging information, making monitoring simple. With its plug-and-charge design and automatic maintenance mode, this charger is an essential tool for hassle-free battery care at home. Number 4. The Moto Power MP0025A 12V battery charger is a compact and efficient solution for maintaining and extending the life of your vehicle batteries. Designed for all 12-volt lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GEL, and flooded types, it works perfectly for cars, motorcycles, and other small vehicles. This versatile unit functions as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator, ensuring optimal battery performance year-round. Its automatic desulfation technology detects and helps restore battery condition using pulse current, improving overall efficiency. Built with safety in mind, it features spark-proof connections, overcharge protection, and safeguards against short circuits and reverse polarity. The charger operates with zero output in standby mode, preventing energy waste and battery drain. With a simple plug-and-use design, it automatically manages charging and switches to maintenance mode, making battery care easy and reliable. Number 3. The Battery Tender Junior 12V Charger and Maintainer is a dependable solution for keeping your powersport batteries fully charged and ready to go. Designed for motorcycles, ATVs, and similar vehicles, it supports all 12V lead-acid batteries, including AGM, GEL, and flooded types. Its advanced 4-step charging program ensures efficient power delivery while preventing overcharging, helping extend overall battery life. Once fully charged, it automatically switches to float mode to maintain optimal voltage during long-term storage. Compact and easy to use, it features spark-proof circuitry and reverse polarity detection for safe operation. The included 12-foot cord, ring terminal harness, and alligator clips offer flexible connectivity, even in hard-to-reach areas. With a simple LED indicator displaying charging status, this smart charger provides reliable, hassle-free battery maintenance for everyday use. Number 2. The NOCO Genius Smart Battery Charger is a powerful and compact all-in-one solution designed for reliable battery care. Supporting both 6V and 12V systems, it works with lead-acid and lithium batteries, making it ideal for cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. Despite its smaller size, it delivers impressive charging performance with advanced technology for efficient and safe operation. An integrated thermal sensor automatically adjusts charging based on ambient temperature, preventing overcharging or undercharging in different climates. It can even charge deeply discharged batteries, including those as low as 1 volt, with a dedicated force mode for recovery. The built-in pulse repair function helps restore battery health and extend lifespan. Designed for convenience, it continuously monitors the battery, allowing safe, long-term connection without risk. With versatile compatibility and smart features, it ensures dependable performance for everyday battery maintenance. Number 1. The NOCO Genius 10 Smart Battery Charger is a high-performance, all-in-one solution designed for fast, efficient, and reliable battery care. Supporting both 6V and 12V systems, it works with a wide range of lead-acid and lithium batteries, making it ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. With increased power in a compact design, it delivers faster charging while maintaining safety and efficiency. Its advanced thermal sensor automatically adjusts charging based on ambient temperature, preventing overcharging in heat and undercharging in cold conditions. The charger can revive deeply discharged batteries, even down to 1 volt, with a dedicated force mode for full recovery. Built-in pulse repair technology helps restore battery health and extend lifespan. Designed for convenience, it continuously monitors the battery, allowing safe, long-term connection for worry-free maintenance and dependable performance.